That is just one of the problems in Holyoke. The wind likely to blame for knocking out power at the Holyoke Mall. This resulted in the mall closing early tonight. Holyoke Mall Marketing Director Lisa Ray told 22 News that the mall closed shortly after a widespread power loss across Holyoke about 6 o'clock tonight. The mall closed for the night a little before 7 o'clock. So you can stay with 22 News to find out when power is restored and if the mall will reopen for business tomorrow. There are scattered outages across the city of Holyoke. This is video from Holyoke Crossing, a strip mall just up the street from the Holyoke Mall. This is where the Barnes & Noble bookstore is located. Holyoke Crossing was totally without power, as you can see. Same story at the commercial plazas at the intersection of Homestead Ave and Westfield Road in Holyoke. Power is out at the Four Corners. The traffic lights there not operating. Lieutenant Cruz urging Holyoke residents not to drive if you don't have to. We shot video of this of damage caused to an electrical transformer. The wind pushed a tree down on that electrical box there. And just a few miles away at the Kmart Plaza, same story. No power except for the Stop and Shop, which must have had its own power supply. Lieutenant Cruz told 22 News there are scattered outages across Holyoke. Holyoke's utility, Holyoke Gas and Electric, confirmed that they had outages across the city and, like Lieutenant Cruz, were urging people without heat to go to the Holyoke War Memorial for shelter.